Can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you are new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I put in a video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video.
Anywhen you say, anywhen you say, anywhere.
everybody, that wraps up the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you are new and share this video with your friends. I would greatly appreciate that too. And comment which style of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Fushi from 2 Year Eternity. I really like the outcome of the drawing, and I really like how I made part of his face the wolf. I'm really enjoying this anime, but it's super sad. And if you are also enjoying it, make sure to smash the like button. And also, I'm super excited to see the upcoming episodes. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.